Throat, al-Qadr, chapter of power. And the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate. Lo, we have sent it down on the night of power. What is let thee know what is the night of power? The night of power is better than 1,000 months. In it, the angels and the spirit let themselves down by the permission of their Lord with regard to every affair. It is peace until the rising of the dawn. And so this night of power, see, the descending stops at that point. So that's the peak, but it doesn't mean everything just goes away when the horizontal line of twilight appears. But the night of power is every year in the last 10 of Ramadan. And to catch the last 10 of Ramadan, Muhammad would enter the afternoon of the 19th. He would enter before the 20th would start. And who's to say that when there are 29 days of Ramadan, that the 20th is never the night? And we find that even by the 10 nights, the even and the odd. So they're all very important nights, and I wouldn't want to miss any of them, even if it is one night a year and it's only one night a year. But it's not so narrowed down to one night as one thinks, and it's not only the odd nights that this is said about. There's a lot of traditions about that, but are the traditions supported by the sayings? There's a couple piecemeal sayings where there's only a sentence, but what was the context of the sentence?